This is our story. In May 2021, we received the news from our grandparents that a mama cat nearby their house has been killed by a car. We knew that she recently had a litter. We started searching for the abandoned kittens and found them in a shed in a dirty cardboard box. Without a mother and a suitable shelter nearby, we decided to take the little ones in and raise them ourselves. The first weeks were hard. They had to be fed every few hours. But with time, they grew into cuddly and playful cats. They immediately grew on us, and we were clear they will stay with us for the rest of their lives. We are so happy that they have become part of our family. Stay tuned till the end to see how they have grown up. If you want to see more of their happy life, follow for more.